In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove data from an Excel chart. If you need to clean up a chart, remove outdated information, or simply make your data easier to read, Excel gives you a quick way to do it without rebuilding the chart from scratch. The process is straightforward, and once you know where the settings are, it becomes very easy to manage exactly what appears in your chart. Start by opening your Excel workbook and going to the worksheet that contains the chart you want to edit. Make sure you're working with the correct file and the correct chart before making any changes, especially if your workbook has several charts or multiple sheets. Next, click on the chart to select it. You'll know it's selected when the chart area is highlighted and Excel shows the chart tools or formatting options around it. Selecting the chart first is important because the editing options won't appear unless Excel knows which chart you want to modify. Once the chart is selected, right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Select Data. This will open the Select Data Source dialog box, which is where you control the information being displayed in the chart. This window is especially useful because it lets you remove data without changing the original layout of your worksheet. Inside the Select Data Source dialog box, you have two main options, depending on what kind of data you want to remove. If you want to remove an entire data series, look under Legend Entries, also called Series. Click the series you no longer want to show, then click Remove. This is the best option when you want to take out a full line, bar group, or data set from the chart. If instead you want to remove a category, which usually appears as an axis label, go to the horizontal category axis labels section. Select that area, click Edit, and then adjust the cell range so it no longer includes the data you want to remove. This approach is helpful when you only want to exclude certain labels or sections of the chart, rather than removing a whole series. After making your changes, click OK to apply them. Your chart will update based on the selections you made, and that's it. You've successfully removed data from an Excel chart. If you're editing charts often, this is a great technique to remember because it helps you keep your visuals accurate, focused, and easier to understand.